China, and I think similar moves in the past. How far will this actually help to smooth relations? Because it didn't work last time.
Well, that's right. Last time they agreed to do this, and one of the goals President Trump has in this is to narrow that trade gap with China, but things broke down anyways. This time, according to sources, people from with the situation who have spoken to Bloomberg, China is saying that it will look at purchases, additional purchases of some commodities, some agricultural products like soybeans, like corn, pork, to kind of get those talks moving. And it won't say how much it's going to be, it won't say the volume, but it appears to be that it will be less than earlier had been considered, and that it will really depend on how the talks go, how much they will buy. So this looks like the talks have restarted. We heard from Larry Kudlow that they're talking on the phone. This comes after that G20.
Navarro was talking to us as well on Bloomberg Television.
That's right, Peter Navarro saying things are moving forward. He has high hopes. So we will see. At the same time, we are seeing the U.S. impose some duties, further duties on steel from a Commerce Department investigation. So while we have one hand moving forward with the talks, still there's plenty of tariffs and duties on the other hand as well.
On those tariffs on steel from Asia, Jodi, help us understand what's the U.S. strategy behind the additional tariffs? Why is the Trump administration doing this?
Yeah, so this is from a Commerce Department investigation, Haslinda. Basically, Commerce works on a product-by-product kind of strategy, and this has been the procedure in the past. And this is on steel wheels. They have found that there were unfair trading advantages given on this, and therefore they're imposing higher duties. This is different than what the Trump administration has done in terms of unilateral duties, like those imposed on China, on Chinese products, and also on some steel products. So there's two tracks here, and on this, and we saw this the other day with Vietnam as well, they had gone ahead and imposed tariffs of more than 300% increase on Vietnam after determining that there were unfair trade advantages, that products were being sent to Vietnam to avoid, in the administration's view, anti-dumping requirements.